Do you want to start affiliate marketing in 2024 and you are serious about it? Watch this video until the end. Today we are going to talk about wealthy affiliate. This is not a platform. This is the system where you learn, implement and earn commissions and build your online business. First you have to go through the link in the description and create account for free. Here you can learn everything you get and how you can start wealthy affiliate for free. When you create an account, you will see this dashboard where you have to set your goal. Set your earnings goal, how much you want to earn. Let's click $10,000 a month. Here you have to choose how do you want to earn money online. You can choose your own niche or you can choose wealthy affiliate to promote. Let's choose wealthy affiliate where we can earn up to $320 commission. Let's choose college students seeking side income. Click continue. You can choose your brand name here. If you want to choose one of them, you can choose. You can generate more ideas, and if you have your own brand, you can type here ITAL and you can see my website has been successfully built, and here's the training I have to go through. Congratulations, you are now into the system. This is the pathway you have to go through to earn your desired income here. You can change your desired income anytime when you see. Every step you have took will be marked like this. Here you can see some of the tips and articles which may help you. And here you have to update your information. You can see step-by-step core training where you will get 8 classes where you learn about everything you need to establish your first online business, and 7 classes to grow, build a momentum for your website to rank on Google. If you join through the link in the description and upgrade within a week, you will get these bonuses. First bonus is for one free.com domain, which is value of $16, and 5,000 AI words credit, which is $25 value. You can see core niche training for 20 classes, bootcamp training for 20 classes, 3 profit ready websites, 3 business hubs. You can also check other bonuses here. Here you can see all 3 programs and comparison between them, and you can choose whichever suits you the most. Thank you for watching this video guys, and don't forget to check the link in the description to join this system.